Good morning. So I just wake up because this is the CD. Yes, hindi pala. And then this is the tomato. Yes. As of now, update of my tomato farm. Yes. Papa, sabaan niyo mo pa. Ay. So, mauna ni siya, guys. Namulak na siya. Ang una ni nga itamanom ni Papa. Ano man ni katudling panoonom? Pito ang una ng tanom. Unom kabuki ang unang tanom. Guys, sama ni siya. Then, mo niyang naulahi. Then, dito sa unahan kay talong. So, mauna ni siya. Hindi ko kaagi, guys. Kaya naman siya nylon. Of course, as you can see. Yes. And then the kamuting kahoy. And then I go to over there. Because meron siyang eggplant. Ang ulahi. Anin ka to ang the eggplant. Is the eggplant. Yes. And then I'll go there because we have eggplant and tomato. Yes, wait. We have the tomato and I know eggplant and then the tomato over there. Over there in my mother. And then yes, it's the first, the sixth straight, the tomato. Yes. And then here yes, the tomato and the eggplant. Where's my mother? Yes, the tomato. Yes, I'm gonna do the bisbis the tomato and then the eggplant. Yes, update sa akong farm sa akong papa. Cherries. Wala na siya as of now for how many weeks?